Let's begin our JavaScript journey by looking at something simple, which is variables. We're going to use variables a lot. Variables are a place in memory that we give a name to that we can store information. And you've learned this in other programming classes, but we can do this in JavaScript just as easily. Variables can be named with either let or var. I typically use var, but again, let was a later addition to ECMAScript that was added. As you're reading about it, you will see let and var both used. In our examples, I'll typically use var. So here, var, my variable, equals 6. Now, a few things that I've done here. Var, we're saying to JavaScript we want to declare a variable. My variable is a variable name. It can have uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, underscores. You must start with a lowercase letter or an uppercase letter. We have here the assignment operator, which is equal sign, and a 6, which is initialization value. So what we're saying here is we want to take the number 6 and assign it to the variable called my variable. So we take whatever is on the right side of the equal sign, and that is the value we're giving the variable listed on the left hand of the equal sign. And that is called an assignment. So we've learned two things here. One, how to declare variables and how to assign them. With JavaScript, you don't have to specify the type explicitly. So again, we could have a string here. My variable equals hello. Strings are wrapped in double or single quotes in JavaScript. And we don't have to change how we declare the variable. So let's say that my variable equals hello variable. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this document.getElementById line down here so we can use it to display our output. So we're going to set the script output to be my variable. This div here is going to take the value hello variable. So we'll save this. We'll refresh our page. And you'll see when the document loads, we set my variable to equal hello variable. And then we're setting the contents of this div named with the ID script output to be the contents of my variable. So just an easy example. Again, throughout some of these examples, I'm going to use this script output document.getElementById and set that inner HTML so we can see how the JavaScript we're writing is working.